Alright, today at Mitten Motorsports, we're going to do some TikTok schooling 101 where you can try to fill your tire with this air chuck without the air filling tool. We're going to give her a shot, and maybe people have been lying on the internet. Maybe they haven't, I don't know. Right now we got rated around 20 pounds in it. Let's see if this thing will take some air. Dang! Oh yeah. Let's see what it is now. 21 pounds, it took a pound. £22, dang! So yes, you can fill your tires with this. Didn't know that.